to fix red eye in people or pets. The tool for the red eye is hidden under these healing brushes. So you might have the spot healing brush or the healing brush or even the patch or content aware selected. If any of those are selected, choose the red eye tool instead. And we're going to zoom in to the eyes. Now you can play with these settings, but before doing that, just see if the defaults work. You can either draw out a rectangle over the entire eye, which sometimes gives you the best results, or you can just click on the red eye. And sometimes that's actually preferable. So I'll undo that and try to select the whole eye, and it does nothing. However, if I just click on the red eye, it gets rid of it. So experiment and undo. This is one of those cases where destructive editing makes sense because you rarely want to preserve red eye. I can't think of an example where I'd love to see that again. So you could duplicate this layer if you want to, but really this is not, strictly speaking, necessary.